Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes, each when she passes goes ah. When she walks, she's like a samba that swings so cool and sways so gently, that when she passes, each when she passes goes ah.
Hey, so this morning we had coffee in Germany, in Köln.
Now we are having waffles in Belgium.
And we're gonna finish the evening with wine, Normandy, France. And we couldn't resist stopping in Belgium, the city Moons, to get some famous waffles.
My first waffle. I don't know. I think it's better if he tells me about this.
Oh my god. This is dessert. Remember Germany? It sucks. It's so much better.
He's a fan of Germany. He's a fan of Germany. Oh my god, it has to be so delicious. We definitely could spend longer in Belgium just enjoying waffles and beer, but we had to keep going.
We're in France! Again! With Cosmo!
This is a journey into sound, a journey which along the way will bring to you new dimensions.
Morning! Last night it was dark and we didn't know where we were. But we're here!
So amazing.
Look at this beach!
The castle is right there, and that's how the free parking look like. Not so far.
So if you don't want to walk about 5 minutes, you can come park at the parking lots here. It's about 10 euros, 4 euros, not the touristy season, but according to now it says it's 10 euros for fall, which is also, I would say, not the touristy season since it's pretty empty.
And now we're going towards a shuttle bus. It's a free bus to the castle. Just wear the masks.
If you're coming during the COVID.
Dogs are not allowed, that's why we left Cosmo at home.
It's so adorable. Can you talk with your eyes? Say, what do you think about this trip?
Moi je l'ai faite et j'ai failli y rester.
It's quite windy. Not the best place for recording the video. But we are here! I don't know if it's the biggest castle in France, I'm sure not. Maybe not the prettiest one, it's all subjective. But when you Google and you look for the Normandy, it's the first castle which will pop up. But it's so beautiful! God.
So we're climbing up the castle walls. see how it looks like from the higher angle.
Fun fact.
So we're in Normandy, and Normandy, it's like Northmen. It has to do with Vikings coming here. One of the Vikings, Rollo, was a king actually here in Normandy. He conquered Paris at one point, I believe.
Commercial. You got it from the TV show, right? What's the name of
Yes,
the show?
it is. It's called Vikings. Another fun fact, there's only about 60 residents here, but it's one of the most touristy spots in France. About 3 million tourists visit this each year.
So sometimes you can see the castle surrounded by the water, but now still beautiful. We'll fall down.
Oh, the other way.
I will record it.
Why are we so fat? Can we go on a diet?
Oh,
I want your shoes to get dirty.
I want to throw up.
Dry land. Whee!
We did it. It's quite hard to get here, but definitely worth it because there are no people, and we found the stairs the other side of the castle.
Church. It's locked.
It's raining.
It's raining.
They're in shirts. Why are they in shirts?
It's a thermal spa. It's frozen, but it's a thermal spa. We just finished recording the castle.
Yeah.
It's very nice inside, very lovely. What do you think?
I think it's the most beautiful castle I've ever seen.
Me too, me too. So we're heading home now. We're gonna be back tomorrow to film for sunrise with the drone. So hopefully get some cool footage.
Today we woke up at 11, so we don't promise anything.
Yeah, but we'll try.
We'll try.
Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes, each one she passes goes When she walks, she's like a samba that swings so cool and sways so gently that when she passes, each one she passes goes Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes, each one she passes goes
Oatmeal, coffee. Nice view.
And it's breakfast time.
Breakfast. Critically low battery. I need breakfast. Stop beeping.
Somebody killed the battery and then lost where we
beeping.
were.
He doesn't let me to eat this. He just like put it in front of me. It's like, no, recording. First recording.
I was recording?
Wonderful thing. What a wonderful thing. What a wonderful thing to do.
For you? What you doing illegally?
Everything's illegal. I'm recording in field.
What a wonderful thing to do. What a wonderful thing. What a wonderful thing to do. What a wonderful thing.
The food was so good. It's a perfect breakfast. With coffee.
You brought him.
A pot of coffee.